Hey y'all, happy Winning Wednesday. So listen, I was in here doing some things lunch-wise and it's like let me get on the camera. So let me show y'all real quick. Lunch doesn't have to be all hard and all that. And meal prep doesn't. As I'm getting back in my groove and getting back on it. Quick and easy, just show you. Right here are salad jars. Some time ago on one of my albums on Facebook, I did something about the salad jar, and they'll last up until 7 days with the lettuce being crisp and fresh. Okay, so I made a lot of salad stuff. It's like, I'm not that hungry right now, so I wanted to put them in my jars so they would stay, and they'll stay a little bit longer. The lettuce will be crisp, not brown, and still fresh. And I guess for lunch, you got it. Got my little salad. Hey, the journey continues. Hit the reset button if you need to. Happy Winning Wednesday. Okay, time for me to go work out. Peace.